how you can convert integrity or honesty to money is what I am talking to you about today. Integrity and honesty can be converted to money in business and can make you a lot of money. I am going to use a classical example of an individual that I know that happened just over the last 2 months, and it ended yesterday. This individual had a business and he invited some people that do business with him on another level to come and put money together for the business to move to the next level. And different individuals subscribed to his idea and they came together. Somebody dropped a particular amount, another person dropped multiple of that particular amount, different people dropped different amounts. The money came to a particular amount, and then expecting him to fulfill his own standard, he promised that every day, whatever is traded is going to give a report, whether it is profit or loss. By day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, week 1 ended, nothing. The second week started, nothing, no information. People started asking questions. Then the individual gave some reasons, and then the initial agreement or the initial plan was that that individual was going to trade with the money. The individual left the money. He was not confident enough to trade with the money. He got somebody else to trade who was not known by anybody. The person traded their account for some time and was making losses. Somebody else, that is my own brother, took over the account. After over a month or 3 weeks into the month, my brother took over the account, and my brother brought the account from 25% minus 25% to profit of 5%. Then some of the other individuals that spearheaded the starting of the program started saying all sorts of things. And what happened? People lost interest in what was happening. They said the individual that bought it from minus 25 should continue. Another person said he wanted to start trading on the account, and everything began to go down. Eventually, everybody had to take their own money back. The agreement was that people would take percentage of their money. Even the person, my brother that traded the account and dropped a particular amount, he didn't get up to 5% of what he dropped, even though the profit made on the account was 5%. Now he was also supposed to take from the profit made on each of the trades. He didn't get that. What I'm trying to say is that integrity and honesty is going to bring you a lot of good. Now, people put in money, whether their own money, whether borrow, whether free money, they put it, okay, let us see what's going to happen. If that has succeeded, if the person has handled things well, people will not mind to reinvest. We will not mind to invest more, to look for more money and invest, and then that individual will make more profit as commission. But this is a classical opportunity that is bungled because there is no honesty, there is no integrity, there is no proper preparation. So any business you want to go into, be well prepared. People talk about capital and no capital. See, people are ready to release capital for business, but nobody wants to lose money. So what happened is that they are ready to give capital. When you put money in bank, if you put 50,000 and 100,000 in a bank is going to give you interest of 3% per annum, 4% per annum. If you are lucky to get 5%, you should be thanking God. But if you have a business and you can approach people and tell them that instead of 3%, in a month I'll give you 3%, it is doable. The microfinance banks, I know how much they charge. They charge 6% per month. Even though they will code it, they won't let the people know on time that the 6% they charge per month. They charge 6% per month or thereabout. And then over, what do you have? You see that people keep paying the money to microfinance bank. Whereas you can take it informally and get the loan, and the people are going to release the money to you, and you give them 3% per month. Even 1% per month, people will release money to you. But once you tell them per month, this amount I'm going to give you, you should return the money to them. then they will have confidence in you. In fact, sometimes they will so have confidence in you that you'll be surprised at the amount of capital you are going to be controlling for your business. So this is what you can do to generate business capital and to make more profit and get more money to run your business and to make necessary profit in your business. Any agreement you reach with anybody that is sponsoring your business, keep to the terms of the agreement. In fact, exceed the agreement, and you are going to be glad you did. I'm going to talk to you some other time. If you have any question for me or any type of thing you want me to address, you can message me and I will be glad to respond. Bye for now.